So my friend replied. So I texted my friend and he replied. Okay, where's that app? Yeah. So I was like, hello, do you have the Samsung S8? Please, just for video. I've returned the J5, please. So I told him that I've returned the J5 my Indian friend gave me. And that message I deleted. And he said sold it already. I mean, he gives the stock of phones. That's why he said no phones available. Now we will get another stock of phones. So yeah, he gets thousands of phones and gives it to random people who wants to make videos of them or test the phones. And yeah, that's all the conversation we did. So sadly he doesn't have the S8. He sold it to one of the other people who wants to test phones. That's not a good news, guys. Okay, what the hell is... Why is my cover dirty? No problem. It's okay. And now let's test out the speaker, guys. Let's take out the charger and turn it on. And there it is.
Ubon. Life rely music, music rely life. Ubon. Born to be free.
Ubong SP43 ready to pair.
Now let's pair it. Yeah, there is it. Ubon SP43. Not will request for pairing. And I changed my phone from S25
Connected.
to the Samsung A05, as you can see. So you can see the Galaxy A05. I have changed the phone and it was a surprise for you guys. In one of the video I will get this phone and you'll say, what the hell? He was having S25, but yeah, this was a surprise, guys. Let's open Spotify. Okay. Dismiss. Wait, let me go to my playlist. Okay. And I'm not sponsoring any app or anything, guys. Please. Like songs. Wait. Yeah, that's my playlist. Yeah, man. It's loud. It's very loud. You saw that. Wait, and now I will increase the volume to full and then suddenly decrease it to low, and you can understand how high it went. So that was loud, man. Great bass, I would say. Very great bass. I like the bass. Yeah. So you saw the bass of the speaker. Otherwise, from normally it's like this. Yeah, it's like, okay, I'm not playing the whole song because I don't want a copyright. So otherwise the speaker is great of the song. I mean the sound. So let's...
Disconnected.
Yeah, it's disconnected. And you can see the RGB lights are looking okay. They look great. But in the box they were showing that they would have the full RGB light from here to here, but reality Otherwise the speaker is good, but I heard some type of cracking sound in between, like I don't know what was that. Otherwise the speaker is great. We can carry it around. Let me turn it off. We don't want to waste battery.
Power off.
Okay, now look at the strap, man. I like the straps also. And in some video I'll also test out the Boat speaker, which looks like this but bigger than this. It has a heavy bass, and we'll check out more speakers sometime of JBL and everything. I like JBL because they have a very very heavy bass, and I like heavy bass best because they just vibrates. You can see like this, the strap is, you can see from here all the way to here. Yeah, so that's a great speaker. I like the speaker. Now let me turn the speaker off and put it here. Nice speaker. So I wanted a speaker for my cycling because usually I play music in my car also, and I wanted some music for my cycling also. So that's why I ordered the speaker for my cycling. This speaker did not have a loud bass, this Boat one. I don't know where is that kept. Okay, anyway, it doesn't have a very good bass. It's so slow, man. So low. But this one is super high bassed. Super loud. It should have the heavy bass. Like, it should vibrate the room. I know that the big speakers vibrate the room, but still, it has a great bass. And you can see this. Let me turn on the flash of my phone and tell you what am I talking about. Yeah, you can see this speaker inside this circle part. So that's the speaker. Only one speaker is in the speaker. So yeah, it was a great speaker. It is a great speaker, and this is a model SP43, 8-watt charging, and yeah, it's a great speaker. Buttons, build quality. Yeah, it's great. And the best thing is it has a type C and some other ports for fitting things. I don't know if it can fit my phone with the wire. Wait, check it out. And once my laptop is fixed, I can check out all the features and everything of this speaker. But my laptop is broken, guys. My god. So otherwise I'll check it out. And he doesn't have the A8, sadly, so no problem. Otherwise, this was the video, guys. I hope you liked the video of the speaker. And yeah, nothing else. Let's put the speaker with other things, with my earphones and everything. Yeah, I've kept it. And now this was the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Bye, guys.